Khureb BeRuakh, Sword of the Spirit, narrated and interpreted by Wendy.
2nd Jukhanan, 2nd John. Chapter 1. The elder to the elect lady and her children, whom I love in the truth, and not only me, but also those who know the truth. For the sake of truth, which dwells in us, and will be with us forever, grace, mercy, peace be with you from Elohim the Father, and from Adonai Yahushua HaMashiach, the Son of the Father, in truth and love. I rejoiced greatly when I found your children walking in truth, like the commandment we have received from the Father. And now I beseech you, lady, not as though I write a new commandment to you, but that which we had from the beginning, that we love one another. And this is love, that we walk after his commandments. This is the commandment, that like you have heard from the beginning, and walk in it. For many deceivers have entered into the world, who do not confess that Yahushua HaMashiach has come in the flesh. This is a deceiver and antichrist. Look to yourselves, so that we do not lose those things that we have worked, but that we receive a full reward. Whoever transgresses and does not abide in the doctrine of the Mashiach does not have Elohim. He who abides in the doctrine of the Mashiach has both the Father and the Son. If anyone comes to you and does not bring this doctrine, do not receive him into your house, nor welcome him. For he who welcomes him is a partaker of his evil deeds. Having many things to write to you, I would not write with ink and paper, but I trust to come to you and speak face to face, so that our joy may be full. The children of your elect sister greets you. Amen.
The end.
Thank you for listening to my interpretation of 2nd Jukhanan, 2nd John.
I hope that you find my Bible series, Khureb BeRuakh, Sword of the Spirit, enlightening. The word of Yahweh is a treasure trove of mysteries. It's amazing what you'll discover when you read it with your eyes open. My name is Wendy, and you've been called out of darkness